Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll guide you through a simple process to enable microphone access for Discord in the Microsoft Edge browser. If you've been struggling with Discord not detecting your mic, this step-by-step tutorial will fix that quickly and easily. First, open your Microsoft Edge browser. Next, click the three dots located at the top right corner of the window. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, look to the left sidebar and tap on Cookies and Site Permissions. Moving forward, under Site Permissions, tap All Sites to see a list of websites. Now, find Discord from the list and select it. Once you are on the Discord site settings page, locate Microphone. Finally, tap on Microphone and change the setting to Allow. That's all there is to it. Now your microphone will work with Discord on Microsoft Edge. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.